in my opinion, since we are nerds and we're not really physically inclined, we're gonna be considered the underdog. So the other colleges wouldn't expect how we strategize in every game. And puso lang yan.
I think the edge of the ETYCB could be their teamwork, their ability to cooperate together.
Patience. Yeah, may patience yung mga madalas taga-ETYCB.
Ang edge naming CMET para maging champion sa parating na Wizards Cup ay yung constant practice after school and teamwork, tsaka yung pusong marino.
Yung mukha nila, edgy, pang house. Charot, hindi. Communication sa team members kasi yan ang CAS eh.
Pag CMET kasi solid yung samahan, kaya kahit manalo o matalo, okay lang, masaya pa rin, basta sama-sama. And sa Frisbee rin, sana manalo kami kahit papaano, malalakas yung kalaban.
Given na short course lang kami, we're trained to like give the maximum result sa short span of time. So, dyan mapasok characteristics ng IXL na we are trained to be efficient, disciplined kami sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. So, ibibigay namin lahat.
Siguro kasi yung MITL, for me, team talaga siya. As in, team. Siguro, yung chemistry namin, siya yung masasabi ko makapagpanalo sa amin sa upcoming Wizards Cup.
Go MITL! Go CMET! Go ETYCB! Go CMET!
Go MITL!
Go CAS!
Go IXL!